Hey, what's up, everybody? Adobe Masters here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this shimmer icon effect here. So we're essentially going to be able to put any icon we want here and have this sort of metallic shimmer go across it. Think like the Nintendo system with the old original NES and SNES. It has this just quickly go across. That's what we're going to be creating today, so let's get started. First thing, I grabbed this coin image and we are going to be adding the effect to that. I created a sequence that was 1080p and then just dragged this image in. We're then going to go into our effects. We're going to look for lighting effects. Under video effects, adjust lighting effects. Once I drag this down, you'll notice that it creates a little something here, and that's okay. We're going to be adjusting that in a second. We're then going to click into effect controls, into a lighting effect right here. If you can't find it, I am currently working in the graphics panel, which should bring it up in the left. If not, go to your effects panel and it'll definitely be over there. We're going to go down to lighting effects. We are going to click this square right here to create a mask, and we're going to drag it onto the left side here. Now, yours may look like this, which is going to make it hard to actually drag out. So go ahead and drop this down and go to 25% or 10%, and then we can now actually click this out. We're going to click and drag and make basically a vertical rectangle, or a vertical sort of tilted rectangle, just like so. We want to make sure that it incorporates both above and below, so when we slide this across, it'll incorporate the entire coin. This looks good. We're going to go to our mask path, and we're going to click the toggle animation. We're going to go about 15 frames, so I can move over about 15 right there. If we then re-click on mask 1, it'll bring this up. It allows it to be a little easier to move. I'm going to click on this and hold the shift key. It's going to make sure that it goes across perfectly straight, so we don't have like it moving up or down while we drag. And now we have a very basic but good effect. Last thing we want to do is we want to adjust the brightness. So we're going to go to a nice place right about here. We're going to go into the light, and we're going to just increase the intensity just a little bit. So in this case, we want it to be a nice, strong shine when it passes through. So you can see it looks a lot better, a lot more poppy. And that is really it on how to create this effect. A very, very simple effect, but a fun one to do, and it basically works on almost anything. You're talking text and icons and anything like that. Thanks everyone for joining me. If you have any questions or comments, throw them in the comment section below on our website at adobemasters.net. If you'd like to see more videos similar to this one, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I try to make videos on all the Adobe products, so subscribe to catch up with that. And until next time, guys, see ya.